Welcome back to Anointed to Bling, everyone. It's Rain here one more time with another installment to my wedding vlog series. If you're a first-time viewer, welcome. If you're not a first-time viewer, welcome back. Today we're doing a tutorial on this absolutely stunning cake cutting set that you see here in front of you, using these absolutely beautiful brooches for not a whole lot of money. So if you want to figure out how to make this set for yourself or for someone you know, stay tuned for the tutorial coming up now. To start this project, there's a couple things you need. I found this set at Hobby Lobby. What you want to do is wait for the wedding stuff to go on sale. It rotates weekly. So I got this $9.99 cake cutting set for $5. Same with these brooches. They were 50% off. So again, you want to go online and wait for the week that these things go on sale. The His and Her Studio items were on sale that day. I also used the E6000, a pair of good scissors to cut the rhinestone wrap that you see here. It might be a little bit out of frame. Sorry about that. My movie does that. But this is by the Metal Gallery, and that also goes on sale, rotating weekly. So you might want to check that out as well. I got it for 40% off using my coupon. I've laid a little bit of that E6000 glue on the handle of the cake spatula. And what I'm doing is just pulling these rhinestones and laying them neatly and just allowing them to run through my thumb and forefinger to lay them neatly and flat on their back against that handle so that nothing is twisting or turning. And I'm adding a little E6000 as I go, pretty much row by row, because what I don't want it to do is begin to split apart or separate. I want those to lay against this very flush and nice, and to be a permanent hold on there. So you certainly don't have to do that. You could actually just wrap it nice and tight and then glue it at the beginning, and then at the end when you get there, again, this is my preference. You don't have to follow that preference. I just find that it's a better hold and it's not moving as much when I do it this way. And it's a practice that I tend to use across the board when I'm wrapping things like this. Again, that's me. It doesn't have to be on you. Forgive my nails. I have taken them off because I have so much work to do for the wedding, and it's just easier for me to work without nails. So I know my hands look horrible. Don't come for my life. That's wedding life. What can I say? So here's that spatula completely wrapped. Look how stunning that is just by itself. Again, I intentionally left that middle section undone, and now I'm going to adhere the brooch to that. And here it is with the brooch affixed. I use the E6000 and the hot glue gun. The E6000 for a permanent bond, and the glue gun to set it in place while that E6000 cures. Isn't that gorgeous? And then here is the knife fully wrapped. I did that second. And in just a second, I'm also going to attach the brooch the same way I did for the spatula, using that E6000 and my hot glue again. And here we are at the finished product. These are absolutely amazing. I absolutely love how these came out. Oh my God. The sparkle, the shine, absolutely perfect for a minimal amount of money, and did not take me a whole lot of time at all to create these. I hope you like this tutorial as much as I had fun making these. Don't keep me a secret. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share me with a friend. Until next time, next project. Remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. And I can't wait to come back with the next video log. Okay, everyone, have a great day. Be blessed.